बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे बिग वेव सर्फिंग। वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले हमारी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। चलिए आज के सेशन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। वेरी टाइम अ बिग वेव सर्फर टेक्स टू द वेव्स, दे आर पुटिंग देयर लाइव्स ऑन द लाइन। These guys don't just surf normal waves, but rather waves that often the measure closer to 100 feet. The most skillful sports, the most demands incredible suffering ability and nerves of the absolute steel as surfers battle unpredictable and dangerous conditions from Ireland's Atlantic coast and to Hawaii. Number one is boxing. Incredibly quick footwork, the ability to throw the accurate, fast, and powerful punches for 12 minutes, 12 3 minutes rounds, while also trying to avoid the punches from an opponent when is intent on knocking you out. The answer, the age-old question, that's the fittest sport. Any boxer of any level will tell you that taking blow after blow from an opponent doubles the speed at which energy drains from your body. These guys belong to the hardest sports list. Number two, MMA. Similar of the boxing is that the sport demands throwing the talking heads. MMA also requires its athletes to master an array of fighting style, which they must adopt and utilize mid-fight to get the better for their opponent. As well as this, both MMA and boxing are ranked among the hardest sports because each fight takes months of grueling training and preparation. Unlike the weekly training soccer, players go through, for example, the easiest sports to play. Number one is water polo, with a lot of the kicking and grabbing going on under the surface and all sports of sly blows in the water. Polo is highly physical. Water polo receives a boost to skill the level as the game itself is supplemented by the need for to not drown during it. Try going to your local pool and treating water for more than 30 minutes, then imagine playing an intensive compact sports in that time, and you will realize that the water polo is among the hardest sport. Then हमारे पास आ जाता है डिकैथलॉन। ये हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।